In this demonstration, we're going to take a look at how we can use a parametric constraint to adjust the depth of our existing pavement. I'm going to select my corridor, navigate over to my corridor tools, and choose to create a parametric constraint for that corridor. I type in my station range, press enter, and then accept. The same thing on the ending station. And then I select the parametric constraint label that I want to modify. In this case, it's going to be the existing pavement thickness. I put in a start value. I'm going to say 8 inches or 0.67 and an ending value. And then allow my model to update, and you'll see my existing pavement now reflects the new depth assigned through that parametric constraint. And the parametric constraints are coming from the templates. In this case, the template component is an overlay component. And if I come in here, you'll see that I have a parametric constraint label assigned to the depth of surface for my existing pavement. And that's what we adjusted. Parametric constraints can be utilized throughout the project to adjust thicknesses vertically or widths horizontally, as well as slopes. Very powerful way to make adjustments over the length of your project. They can be absolute changes or they can be tapered changes. If we go back to our corridor and go to our corridor objects, you will now see that parametric constraint label listed. And at this point you can make any adjustments that you want. If you wanted to taper from start, stop, you can also turn or deactivate the rule. So let's say I needed to go in and add 10 parametric constraints to this corridor. I could deactivate the rule and use the add new and create my other remaining parametric constraints. And by deactivating, I'm allowed to type in as many as I want without the model actually reprocessing. And then when I'm done, I just turn the rule back on, and then when I close out, you'll see the model update reflecting all of the additional parametric constraints that you added.